The OrCAD X Presto Footprint Editor has some new capabilities in the 23.1.1 release to improve your productivity. First, when searching for pad stacks, you can now see a graphical preview of the top and side view of the pad stack in addition to the parametric data, making it easier to find the exact pad that you need. Second is the ability to import a DXF file to create a footprint. You can select your DXF file and also map the data to the corresponding PCB layers and objects, giving you a precise PCB footprint. Integrated Designer View can be used to indicate specific changes that need to be done to the footprint. For example, relocation instructions for through-hole pins. The final feature is the ability to edit X and Y locations of the pins in the search table to explicitly define pin locations.